Hello and welcome to DIY CP. Today we're going to be making this lovely waterfall blade. As you can see, we've got a lovely LED bulb in here which is waterproof. We can change colours of it. Water comes in here, flows over and makes an absolutely beautiful water feature for your pond, your swimming pool, or even just a garden feature, a water feature. So you play around with it. So let's get into more detail on how this is made. We'll come over to the workbench, we'll go through the items that we use to make this, and hopefully you can follow step by step and make your very own. So the size of the pipe and the size of the LED bulb, the pipe needs to be roughly 3 inches longer than the bulb that you choose. When the cable comes out, put a loop in the cable to create a drip for water so it doesn't run down the cable. We are running 4,000 litres an hour through this unit. Right, so what we have is a standard 68mm downpipe. So what we need to do is make a cut in this. The cut will be about 2.5mm. I'm going to be doing this on my table saw. So this is the one I've done on my table saw. As you can see, there is a cut in the pipe, leaving it a couple of inches both ends. So there we have our pipe. We're also going to need 2 downpipe clips that clip onto the wall. So this is going to hold our product in place once we've built it. Here we have 2 insert boss straps. We have 2 bits of pipe lagging, just cut a couple of inches to size. Here we have a 40mm stop end with a screw inspection. So here we have a Cockney coy fitting. So we're going to cut it to the required to our pipe. And here we have our LED waterproof bulb. And it also comes with a remote control. Right, so let's put this lot together. It's pretty simple. So first of all, we're going to get our boss strap. We're going to place that over the bulb. Then we're going to get our insulation. We're going to put that over the one end. Insert that a little bit into our boss, like so. And now we need to insert the bulb into the pipe, making sure the LED bulbs are facing the cut in the pipe. So we'll place that in. And where the cut is, we're going to put the cable coming out at the top. This unit is not under any pressure. Making sure our LED bulbs are facing the front. Lovely. Then we're going to insert this over our bulb, just to lift it off the floor so it's running in there parallel. There we go. The other boss, we're going to insert the Cockney coy fitting inside and push into place using our clips. And that's it. It's just ready to plug in. And that is it done. So there we have our LED waterfall blade. So it's just a case of plumbing it in now. So all we need to do is put our pipe on here. So let's go and check it out and see what it's made of, eh? I think you'll be very impressed. Right, let's go over to the pond. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if there's any questions. And I will see you in the next video. So take care.